You had an implant placed, or maybe a few. What can you expect and how do you take care of everything? Well, depending on how many implants you had, will depend on your recovery. For a single implant, I really don't expect much pain or discomfort at all the day after. Typically, if you when you have the implant, Tylenol, Advil will take any kind of edge off, and you'll be more than good. You don't want to disturb the wound. Be careful what you eat. Eat softer stuff for a few days, but otherwise, you should be able to really continue life as normal because, again, an implant shouldn't feel much of anything. Now, if you had multiple implants placed because maybe you're getting some teeth that will snap to a denture or have fixed teeth, you could have a little bit more discomfort because you're going to have more incisions, right? So it's not so much pain from the jaw or the implants, but just from the incisions of the gums. There you probably have some more sutures. Do not disturb the wounds. Softer foods, softer diet. That way you make sure that everything will heal properly. Lastly, you can do definitely some warm salt water rinses to kind of keep everything nice and clean for both situations. But all in all, you really shouldn't have any throbbing, achy type of pain. If that's the case, that tells me that there is something more wrong, and you need to let the dentist know that you're experiencing that.